Welcome to our 2026 Mesobook official review of the best mesothelioma attorneys in California. If you are a loved one or facing a diagnosis in the Golden State, you are dealing with one of the most complex legal environments in the country, but also one of the most rewarding if you choose the right representation. California has a long history of industrial and military activity that has unfortunately led to high rates of asbestos exposure from the shipyards of San Diego and Long Beach to the refineries in the Bay Area. Today, we are reviewing the top 5 law firms that have proven they can secure multi-million-dollar results for California families while navigating the state's unique legal requirements. Before we dive into the firms, we must discuss a critical warning for all California residents. In 2026, the California statute of limitations remains one of the strictest in the nation, giving you only 1 year from the date of diagnosis to file a personal injury claim. If you are filing on behalf of a loved one who has passed away, you have only 1 year from the date of their death to initiate a wrongful death lawsuit. This narrow window makes it essential to hire a firm that can hit the ground running. Our first top-rated firm is Weitz & Luxenberg, with a dedicated office in Los Angeles. This firm is widely considered a powerhouse in asbestos litigation, having recovered over $8.5 billion for victims nationwide. They are known for their massive investigative resources and their ability to track exposure across decades of California's industrial history. They have a deep understanding of California's specific court rules and have secured some of the largest verdicts in the state for laborers and trade is vocal. The second firm on our list is Simmons Hanley Conroy, which operates a highly specialized office in El Segundo. This firm has recovered nearly $9 billion for asbestos victims and is famous for its personalized approach to client care. They have a significant track record of representing California veterans who were exposed to asbestos while serving on naval vessels or working in military installations. Their trial lawyers are aggressive and are not afraid to take on the largest corporations in the world to ensure their clients get every penny they deserve. Third, we have Sokolov Law, which has been a leader in mesothelioma cases since 1979 and continues to be a top choice for California families. In 2026, they have secured over $5.3 billion in total compensation, including a notable $10.2 million verdict for a Navy veteran in California and a $9.6 million award for a local construction worker. Sokolov Law is unique because they offer seamless administrative process that helps families access asbestos trust funds quickly, often without ever needing to go to trial. Our fourth review is for Kinney & Conway, which maintains a strong presence in Pasadena and has recovered over $7 billion for their clients. They are known for their high level of expertise in complex product liability cases and have successfully represented many Californians exposed to asbestos through contaminated talcum powder or industrial equipment. They provide a boutique feel with the resources of a national titan, making them an excellent choice for families who want direct access to their lead trial attorney. Finally, we review the Lanier Law Firm, which has recovered nearly $20 billion across various practices and maintains an elite mesothelioma team serving Central and Southern California. They recently secured a $5.2 million settlement for a labor in Central California and a $5.1 million result for a general contractor. The Lanier Law Firm is world-renowned for their trial skills and their ability to explain complex scientific evidence to a jury, which often leads to higher than average verdicts. When choosing between these top 5 firms, you should ask about their specific success rate within the California court system and whether they have a dedicated team for trust fund claims. Because there is over $30 billion in asbestos trusts, a top firm will pursue both trust money and a lawsuit simultaneously to maximize your total payout. in 2026. Average settlement for a California mesothelioma case ranges between $1 million and $1.4 million. But as we have seen with these top firms, the results can be much higher if your case goes to a successful trial. Remember that all of these top-rated firms work on a contingency fee basis, meaning you pay $0 out of pocket, and they only get paid a percentage of the money they recover for you. This allows you to hire the absolute best legal minds in the world, regardless of your current financial situation. California families should also look for a firm that is willing to travel to your home, whether you are in San Francisco or Sacramento or Los Angeles, to make the process as easy as possible during your treatment. Thank you for watching this 2026 review, and we hope this helps you find the justice and financial security your family deserves in the state of California. Selecting a legal team in California is a decision that carries immense weight because the state offers some of the highest potential for compensation while maintaining some of the shortest deadlines in the country. Today, we are providing a deep dive into the top 5 firms for 2026, specifically focusing on their ability to navigate the unique challenges of California's industrial and military landscape. Before we review the firms, you must be aware that California has a strict 1-year statute of limitations, which means you have exactly 12 months from the date of your diagnosis to protect your rights. This is why hiring a firm with a dedicated California presence is not just a preference, but a necessity for ensuring your claim is filed correctly and on time. Our review begins with AngelesLegal, based in Oakland, which is a firm that has been at the forefront of asbestos litigation for over 4 decades. They are widely recognized as pioneers in the field, especially for their work representing workers in the Bay Area shipyards and refineries. The partners at AngelesLegal have been consistently recognized as top-rated lawyers, and they maintain one of the most extensive internal databases of California-specific job sites and asbestos products. Next, we look at the Los Angeles office of Weitz & Luxenberg, a national powerhouse that has recovered over $8.5 billion for their clients. Their California team is particularly skilled at handling complex multi-defendant cases where a worker may have been exposed at dozens of different locations throughout their career. They provide a massive level of investigative support, allowing them to uncover evidence that smaller local firms might miss. Our third firm is Simmons Hanley Conroy, which operates a specialized office in El Segundo and has a remarkable track record of success. With nearly $9 billion in total recoveries, they are a top choice for California veterans because of their deep understanding of asbestos use on naval vessels and in military housing. They provide a very personalized level of service, often sending their senior trial attorneys to meet with families in their own homes from San Diego to Redding. Fourth on our list is AngelesLegal Law, which has been helping asbestos victims since 1979 and continues to lead the way in 2026 with over $5.3 billion recovered for families. They recently secured a $9.6 million award for a California construction worker, which highlights the level of compensation available when you have an experienced team on your side. AngelesLegal Law is known for its ability to fast-track claims for the $30 billion available in asbestos trust funds, ensuring that families receive their first payments in as little as 90 days. Our fifth review is for the California team at the Lanier Law Firm, which has recovered nearly $20 billion in total verdicts and settlements. They are world-renowned for their trial skills and have secured some of the most significant results in California for victims of contaminated talcum powder and industrial equipment. When reviewing these firms for your family, you should ask specifically about their recent results in your local county, whether it is Los Angeles or Alameda or San Diego, because court rules can vary significantly across the state. In 2026, the average settlement for a California mesothelioma case is between $1 million and $1.4 million, while trial verdicts often reach between $5 million and $11.4 million. A top-rated California lawyer will manage every aspect of your case, including the medical records and the witness depositions and the trust fund applications, so you can focus entirely on your health. Remember that top-tier firms always work on a contingency fee basis, meaning you pay nothing upfront and they only get paid if they win your case. This ensures that every Californian has access to the best legal minds regardless of their financial status. As we move through 2026, we see that these top 5 firms are more integrated with medical centers of excellence than ever before, providing a holistic approach that supports the patient both in and out of the courtroom. Thank you for watching this 2026 Mesobook guide, and we hope this helps you make an informed choice as you pursue the justice and financial security your family deserves.